All right, good morning, folks. Ron McGowan here, Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little tour here of the 396 Torque. Follow me. One of the first things you're going to notice is the nice long electric awning with the LED lighting behind that awning. We're going to have outdoor marine grade speakers. It's going to have 2 propane tanks and a nice front full storage compartment with electronic leveling system. So one button will level the whole coach just by the press of one button. Of course, we're going to have the aluminum step. So you've got a nice aluminum step, nice and lightweight. Nice coat closet as you walk into the unit, which is really handy to have, especially here in the Northwest when you're out riding for the day and you've got your coats on and they're a little wet. Just gives you a nice spot to put everything. All of your controls are right here, your generator control, monitor panel, your slide outs, your awning, everything in one nice location. You've got your sound system right here that also plays DVDs, CDs, all runs through the stereo system. Really nice feature. Notice all of the cabinets. Again, in the kitchen area, we've got the same thing. Lots of cabinets, drawers, large 4-door refrigerator with a nice full pantry. This unit has 7 drawers right in this kitchen area. Solid surface countertop. Nice theater seating for 5, electronic seating, and when you look above you'll notice that there's a loft up there for the kids, or a lot of people use that area just for storage and things of that nature. You've got a ladder that goes straight up. Really well set up. Follow me into the toy area here in the toy room. You've got 2 beds, 2 couches. You've got an outdoor patio area with the step system. What's really cool about this unit though is that you've got a complete separate bathroom, and it's a full bath. It's not just a toilet room, it is actually a shower, a toilet, a sink. So it's an actual bathroom. If you're out doing riding, you know what it's like when you get done, especially again here in the Northwest, you're a little muddy. Come in here, drop your clothes, come in here, take a nice shower before you even enter back into the trailer. Moving up to the bathroom area, the first thing you're going to notice to the left is a nice wardrobe closet that's on a slide out. Again, lots of extra room there to put additional clothes. Full one-piece shower with porcelain toilet. Nice lavender area. You'll notice that the countertop, you've actually got some space there to set stuff up, and nice medicine cabinet. Coming here into the bedroom area, we've got a full king-size bed with shelves on both sides, power, USB outputs, lots of cabinet space above, and you've got additional closet space here with a nice counter spot here to put additional items, your laptop or whatever you might have going on. Moving back to the outside, and this is a gorgeous unit. Moving back to the outside, again we've got a triple axle on this one. We've got a rear entrance door with another aluminum step. They didn't go cheap. It's got 2 aluminum steps. Nice full back ramp. Over here we have our fueling station. Our second gray tank is located to the back because you have an additional bathroom. Your fuel station is here, your cutoff, and your flush system for that additional wastewater holding tank. I love how they do this, guys. It's set up really nice and convenient. Everything's in one spot. Your city water, freshwater tank, outdoor shower, your hookups for cable, satellite, again additional holding tank. Everything is up high off the ground. You'll notice the generator pipe is high up off the ground. Lots of room in that compartment. Tons of room in there. And the granddaddy of it all is when you come around front, you've got a 5,500 watt generator. That'll run everything in this trailer pretty much at the same time. Full front cap, automotive painted front cap. Beautiful unit. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010. Again, Ron McGowan, ron.mcgowan@guarantee.com. Thanks and have a great day.